Hey, it's Ed from Stencil1. I'm going to show you today, I've showed you many times how to stencil t-shirts with fabric paint, but I'm going to show you how to use bleach paste, and then we're going to use the fabric paint on top of that, and you're going to get these cool effects. You can make awesome Halloween shirts. So one layer is a bleach paste that pulls the color out of the shirt, and then your next layer, that in this case is green, is the fabric paint. So let's get into it over here. I'm going to show you exactly what you need. So you don't want to use liquid bleach if you want to stencil, because this is more of a paste. It's like a thick liquid. So this is one brand. There's many brands out there. There's the Clorox bleach pen that you could squeeze the paste out of as well. But you're going to need the bleach paste. You're going to need these foam brushes. And later you're gonna need stencil brushes, fabric paint, and you're gonna need like 2 plates, and optionally you can use some tape. So let's get into how to do it. I'm gonna use all these designs on the shirt because this is just a test shirt. So I'm gonna use Frankenstein, Dracula, and the skulls, and I'm gonna do them all in different techniques. Okay, to start, you're gonna squeeze out some of the bleach paste onto a plate. Excuse my happy plate. So it's liquidy, but it's much thicker than bleach itself. I laid the stencils where I want them to be. Optionally, you can tape down the stencil. I'm gonna start with this nice big Frankenstein one, and you're gonna soak up the bleach paste onto your sponge brush. And I like to start in the largest open areas of the stencil, and you're dabbing it in, and then when you get to the edges, you make sure to really beat it down and not move left and right too much, so that you get the edges of the design as crisp as we can. I think this is a great time to say as well that you really should have a 100% cotton dark t-shirt and pre-wash it. This will give the bleaching technique the best results. Now, you could probably see this is already turning like an orange because that's the black dye discharging from the shirt. So with fabric paint, you're coloring the shirt. With bleach, you're pulling out the color of the black shirt, which gives you the nice spooky Halloween vibe. Also, it's just a cool trending look right now. There's a million people making bleach shirts right now, and I'm here for it. And we're gonna just show them how we stencil. I'm doing the smaller stencils now. You could already see the color lifting on this one. Look at that. Now I'm dripping the bleach to get some splashy effects on the shirt. So now I have fully bleached the shirt with the designs in it, and I have washed the shirt, and here's the results of that. You see all the bleached designs, and we're gonna paint another layer onto top, much like you see over here. So in this case, I actually bleached in the whole face area of the stencil. The blue is the cutout design, which we stenciled in fabric paint on top of the bleach. But you could wear it totally like bleached out like this, and you see I've done all these like dripping marks on it, so it's up for your expression. But now, using the same stencil, and this is all dried and washed, I'm gonna line it up, and I'm gonna do another layer of paint over the top of it, just for a little more dimensional effect. And you could line it up exactly, or you could do it a little offset, but I'm gonna line it up nearly the same. And I have some green paint for Frankenstein. And remember, stenciling with fabric paint, you take very little paint on your brush, and you could start in the biggest area, and feeding it into the design. It's up to you how heavy you want to go. And then you just keep filling in every part of the stencil with the paint. Here's the finished shirt, bleach design and painted design. It's up to you if you want to do the 2 layers, do it here and there, cover the whole thing, splash the bleach around. But you've got this cool one-of-a-kind Halloween shirt. I did this many years ago on the Martha Stewart show, and now we're doing it again. It's trending heavily again, so here it is. Use Stencil1 stencils and make your Halloween shirts.